We've got a beautiful group of fabrics this morning, mostly customer request actually. This is linen, 100% linen, and it's a border print. So what you see is this beautiful, it's about only a 6-inch border and florals, but it really ties in the masculine and the feminine together. It gives you an opportunity to do a lot of different things with it, working with that border. Just a beautiful piece of linen. I mean, just nice. The print, because it's a print, when you wrinkle, it doesn't really show the wrinkles. So great pair of pants. It'd be fun to put that at the bottom or along the side. Just really fun. All right, here we have a viscose. It's 100%. It's great drape. It's like an ITY knit, except it's viscose. It's got beautiful drape, beautiful color. It's a little floral wine, you know, kind of differentiated color in there, but it's very pretty and very applicable. Our number one color this summer is pink. I keep getting asked, more pinks, more pinks, more pinks. This is a crepe back satin. It's beautiful. It's a cotton poly, mostly cotton. It is a woven. There's no stretch to it at all. But boy, that'd be pretty in a little ruffle. You could see both sides of that shine, even if you use the crepe side as the right side. Either way, it'd be just really pretty. We have just this little bit of charcoal. I had requests for a charcoal knit. We have just a little bit. It's got a slight texture to it. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. It's 100% cotton. Has stretch in both directions. Really pretty, very pretty. For slim pants, it could be leggings, it could be a lot of different things, and it's really nice. But again, we just don't have a lot of it. This is a Balenciaga designer print. Love this. It's 100%. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a viscose wool combination. Now that wool obviously is very lightweight. It's what we call year-round wool. It's beautiful. It has stretch in one direction. And you can see there little toast and happiness and glasses and it's all kinds of fun stuff. So from Balenciaga, that is just something you'd make a t-shirt and you really wouldn't even notice the print. It's just got a great coloration to it and a lot of fun colors. So that's a viscose wool blend, wool knit. This is 100% cotton and again beautiful. Stretch in both directions, the black. We have, I keep getting asked for black and we put the black up and the black is all sold out. So this is a black knit. It's 100% cotton, it has stretch in both directions. It's just lovely. I mean, the feel is just incredible. All right, so the goal today is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.